welcome to the International Somali Awards 2017.
We're here to celebrate the success of Somalis who have been achieving great things. We wanted to move away from all the negative misconceptions of Somalis and showcase all the amazing people who have been doing great work.
This award is something that gives us more hope that we're doing something good.
It's not just about myself in terms of being nominated, it's about all young people to say that they can achieve anything that they set their mind to. If I could say anything to the Somali community, it would be to keep on being committed, continue to instill values of hard work in the next Somali generation.
It is a pleasure to honour Hawa Abdi with the Lifetime Achievement. Please welcome Dr. Hawa Abdi's daughter, Dafa.
I received the award on my mom's behalf with many different places, but this is very close to my heart because it comes from you.
It's amazing. I've never been to an event that's catered to celebrating the successes of Somali people. I think representation is very powerful. It's important that young girls see women being celebrated, women in media, women in modeling that do look like them. This is so important.
Thank you for attending and making this great evening a night to remember.